In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view HubSpot Calendar. To get started, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot into the search bar and look for the official HubSpot site. You can also type the address directly if you've memorized it, but using search is a quick way to get there from any device. Click the official result to proceed. Once you're on the HubSpot website, log into your account. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication if it's enabled. If you have access to multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you select the correct one for your marketing activities. Keep in mind that you'll need the right user permissions to see the marketing tools we're about to use. If you don't see them, check with your HubSpot admin. After you're in, look toward the left sidebar of the HubSpot interface. Hover your mouse over that sidebar to expand it if it's collapsed. You're looking for the marketing section. The labels may appear as icons at first, so hovering helps reveal the full names. Once you find marketing, you're in the right place to access campaign-related features. Within marketing, click Campaigns. This takes you to the Campaigns area, which brings together your marketing efforts, things like emails, tasks, and assets, so you can track them in one place. From here, you'll be able to access the built-in calendar that visualizes these items over time. Inside the Campaigns area, find and click Calendar. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a tab across the top or within a secondary navigation bar. Clicking Calendar opens a visual schedule where marketing work is organized by date, making it easier to plan and review your activities. On the calendar, you can view all calendar events, campaign tasks, all campaigns, and marketing emails. Use the filters typically found near the top of the page to toggle these on or off, so you only see what matters right now. Adjust the date range or switch between month, week, or day views to zoom in or out. If options are available, you can show assigned or unassigned items to understand ownership. Color coding often helps you distinguish between item types at a glance. Click any item to open details, confirm deadlines, and check related campaign context. If times look off, verify your time zone settings in your user preferences to align scheduling with your team. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, opened marketing, went to campaigns, and then calendar, where you can clearly view all calendar events, campaign tasks, all campaigns, and marketing emails. With these filters and views, you'll keep your marketing schedule organized and transparent.